Hi guys, my name is Tricky and tonight we'll be reacting to Diana, my queen. This is done in 2019, looks like it's a live stage production. I will skip to the singing part, I will skip to the interview or introduction. Guys, if you're only new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. If you're only new to my channel, guys, the way I react, I don't stop, I don't post. This way I can respect the artist and also my viewers, and also for me to enjoy the performance so I can give you my 100% honest opinion. Alright, this is the way I react. Anyway guys, without further ado, let's press play now.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. Меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом. Белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной. Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым вьюга. Со мной кружит белая вьюга, тихо ходит зима. Слышишь, как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Alright, let's post this here right now. Wow. What I love about Diana is when every time she performs in this big production, excellent stage, beautiful song choice for her. She have that beautiful deep voice as well, and then she also has that massive high note when she wanted it, and then she let it go and control. Such an amazing control for a young girl like Diana. She's only about 15, 16 years old now. The first time I saw her, she was very young, and you can see she was oozing talent. And she is the kind of person too who will perform anywhere. Anytime, anywhere she will perform. That's what I love about this girl. Is an artist, guys. It's, you know, this, and she's not afraid to sing live anyway. In the shopping mall, in a small function, in the big function, it doesn't phase her at all. That's what I love about Diana. And of course, she has a beautiful voice, you know, beautiful, unique voice. You know, she hasn't got this traditional voice that you think of. That's what makes her apart from the other singers. You know what I mean? So she is one of those brilliant Russian young singer that I believe that in few years time she'll be a superstar also in the world. A lot of Russian good singers are coming out now, especially in the European countries as well. They have, of course, Diana, then we have Alisa, then of course you have Dimash, then you have, now in Europe, then you have Angelina Jordan, you have Genie, you have Glennis Grace as well, Davina Michelle, all the singers. Then you have the Asia, you have the, you have Morissette Amon, you have Casey Tendingan, you have of course Michael Pangilinan, and of Katrina as well, Berlarde. It's such an amazing talent in the world at the moment, guys, and through the internet we can watch all of them. Such an amazing time that we have now, that we can watch all these artists all around the world and also appreciate and enjoy them, their performance. Anyway, guys, if you like this reaction, can you please subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any other more reaction, any more video like this that you want me to react to Diana, just let me know, guys. Comment down below. I'm more than happy to. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. Until next time, see you later. Bye.